Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting ready for our first shakedown run. Yes, our first overnight trip in the RV. I'm dumping 1 cup and 1/4 cup of bleach into the hose. We're filling the fresh water system with 70 gallons of bleachy water. We are going to de-winterize the rig as well as sanitize the water system. We're going to jump inside in just a second. You're going to see that we're going to run the water until all of the pink antifreeze is gone from the system. On hot and cold, we'll do it at every faucet, every toilet, through the ice maker, the outside shower, you name it. If water comes out, we've got to run water through it until it comes out nice and clean, and you'll smell the slightest bit of bleach. Then we took a nice ride just to slosh the water around in the fresh water tank, and then we stopped by a local school at a big parking lot so we could install some snap pads before we went on our first trip. The water's looking clean. Let's get those snap pads installed. Perfect. So the back jacks came down first, then the front right, now the front left, the driver's side. Once the pads were installed, we were off to the campsite, cooking out on the griddle, making new memories, having a great time together. We probably should have done this 20 years ago. I'm glad we did it now. Well, the food was delicious, and hanging out with the family in the campground was even more fun. You can see the place was really empty. Of course, it was March. It was really cold. It was down in the 20s at night, but we stayed nice and warm inside the RV, and I can't wait to get out on the road again. Thanks for checking in. We'll keep the content coming. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks. Have a great day.